Hi guys, this is Shrestha Singh and welcome back to another video of Let's Learn with Artistic Zone series. So guys, this is the 8th video of that series. As I have already mentioned in my previous videos that I'll be solving a lot of previous year NIFT or NID questions in my upcoming videos so that it can help you in your preparation process in some way. And guys, one more thing, whenever you feel stuck in your preparation process, whenever you feel confused about some question, just feel free to send me a mail. This is my official mail ID so that I can make videos accordingly. So that's all guys about this series, like how this series will work further. And guys, make sure you subscribe this channel right now and press that bell notification button to get all those notifications of my upcoming videos, and also watch this video till the end, because in this video we will discuss each and everything about stamps, like what exactly stamps are, what are their main components, how to make a stamps, how to color stamp, each and everything we will discuss in this video. And after this video I'll give you 4 or 5 assignments related to stamps only, so you just have to follow me on Instagram and you just have to join the Facebook group. All those links are mentioned in the description box below, so you can just go and check there and just join it guys. And after doing all those assignments you can post your drawings and artworks there to get feedbacks and suggestions. Alright, so guys, it will definitely help you in improving your drawing skills. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So now let's understand what exactly stamps are. So guys, basically stamps are a piece of paper that we use to stick or affix onto a package or letter to show that we have paid for it to be posted. So guys, these are a few examples of stamps, and stamps can be of different shapes guys, जैसे कि square हो सकता है, triangle हो सकता है, rectangular भी हो सकती है stamps. Now let's understand what are the main components of stamps, because these are very important guys. Whenever you are making stamps in your examination, just make sure कि आप अपने उस छोटे से stamp में सारे के सारे components जरूर बनाओ, because काफी सारे stamps में वो components नहीं होते हैं, but अगर आप उन सारे के सारे components जो कि एक basic stamp में होती है, अगर वो सब आप उसमें draw करोगे, then definitely you will get full marks in your examination. So the main components of stamps are denomination guys. Denomination means its value. मतलब आपकी stamp की कितनी value है, you have to write there on your stamps. Means आप you can write it in any corner, like ऊपर नीचे आप कहीं पर भी उसको लिख सकते हो. But yes, it is very important in a basic stamp. So आप उसमें अपने value जरूर लिखना. So the second important component of stamps are image guys, जो कि आप इस stamp के बीच में देख रहे हो. So make sure कि आप अपने स्टैम्प में भी एक सेंटर इमेज जरूर बनाना. जैसे कि इस वीडियो में I'll show you how to make a stamp for Mother's Day. And the third important component of your stamps are country name guys. You can write any country name. अगर आप इंडिया के लिए बना रहे हो, you can write India somewhere. जैसे कि आप साइड में लिख सकते हो, नीचे ऊपर कहीं पर भी लिख सकते हो. और अगर आप किसी और कंट्री के लिए बना रहे हो, so you can write country's name. You can write state's name also if it's a specific stamp for state. And the fourth important point which you need to keep in your mind while making your stamps are perforations guys. अगर आप एक simple सा stamp बनाओगे, you'll get less marks. अगर आप अपने stamp के side में इस तरीके से perforations बनाओगे, so you'll get good marks, because these are the elements जिसके वजह से वो stamp लगता है. So make sure कि आप perforations भी काफी properly बनाओगे. I know it's kind of intricate, but still you have to draw it if you want to get good marks in your exam. So the last but not the least, बहुत सारे students इसको skip भी कर देते हैं. It's the stamp mark guys. अगर आप real में किसी stamp को देखोगे letter पर paste किया हुआ, so वहाँ पर you'll get to know कि corner में stamp mark होती है. So you have to draw that. I'll show you in the video, so don't worry. So guys, these are the main components which you need to keep in your mind while making your stamps, और make sure कि आप अपने stamps में at least ये सारे के सारे elements जरूर डालना. Alright. So now I'm going to solve 2010th question, which was you have to design a postal stamp for Mother's Day. So let's get started guys. guys, our stamp is ready. So this is what I was talking about कि इस तरीके से ही you have to color your stamps, you have to draw each and every component जो कि एक basic stamp में होती है to get good marks, to get full marks in your examination. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. So these are some questions you can practice. So these are your assignment list basically. So you have to solve these 5 questions and just follow me on Instagram, the Artistic Zone main page, and there you can tag me to get featured on our page or to get feedbacks and suggestions. You can also join our Facebook group to get all those updates. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye, have a good day.